I would love to be able to speak Irish.
I'd love to learn to speak Irish again.
I would go back to learn it if I could learn it in the evening classes.
So rather the spoken Irish and sitting down in an informal session, chatting and talking in Irish and learning Irish through that medium.
And I'd love to speak Irish fluently. Bhliain maith agad.
Gaelchultúr. Have you been thinking about learning Irish in recent years but never quite got around to it? Well, why not take the plunge right now and attend one of Gaelchultúr's night classes for adults? They're held in various locations around Ireland, at up to 7 levels, so there's bound to be a level to suit you. In Gaelchultúr's classes, we aim to give you the language skills and confidence to start speaking Irish immediately with your friends and family. We teach useful everyday words and phrases in our classes, and we keep grammar and writing to a minimum. Gaelchultúr's teachers are friendly and helpful, and they use a modern learner-centred approach to teaching. Our learners work together in groups and pairs. This gives them a chance to use Irish all the time in class and makes learning the language a fun and rewarding experience. So, whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's coming back to Irish after a good number of years, Gaelchultúr's classes will have you speaking the language with confidence in no time, and you'd be surprised where you'd hear Irish being spoken these days.
Gourmet, slán go fóil.
Hello, can I start to you? Cad a while at cupón té, cupón café. Tá sé €2 50 cent má sé do holle. Slán go fóil.
Irish is a living and vibrant language, and Gaelchultúr's classes make learning it fun and easy. So why wait? Visit www.gaelchultúr.com now and sign up for one of our courses. And don't forget, an Irish class is a great way to make new friends.